Hi, I'm Pete Turner from Illusionist.com. In 2019, we absolutely rocked Kickstarter with our How to Read Minds kit. It funded in just 90 minutes and accrued more 5-star reviews than any product in Illusionist's 20-year history. We taught people with no skill or prior experience exactly how to read minds. But there was something that we didn't teach, something that was so big, so powerful, we believe it deserves a kit of its own. These are techniques not to read minds, but to completely control them.
Try saying your name. Impossible. Now look. Comes back. What's your name?
Anna.
Thank you for playing.
That's unbelievable. That's unbelievable.